हाय गाइस हाय गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जिसका नाम है कोडिंग ज्ञान एंड दिस इज़ अवर थर्ड वीडियो ऑफ दिस ट्यूटोरियल सीरीज़। एंड इसमें आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ प्रॉप्स के बारे में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स create a prop example. I have already created a Java file with the name of prop example, and let's create a functional component for the same, and let's remove this and create our parent container. So as I already told you that we need to import this view from React Native, and here it is. I already replaced this core component with prop example in the index file. So our starting point of this application is prop example now. So what is prop? Prop is basically is a property or a parameter which we will going to pass from one component to other component. जो basically अगर कोई component we need to create a component and try want to reuse it, and we need to pass some values as a form of parameter. So we can pass it with the help of props in React Native. So let's create an example. So let's create a reusable component uh, like so let's create a example with a name employee, EMP employee, and with the help of arrow function let's create an employee function component, sorry. Let's call it Rahul, and we can import this text from React component, and we can use this employee now like this. Okay, so it is at the top. Let's apply some style here. Align item, sorry, and let's put a margin from top something like 50. So now you can see Rahul here. What if you have need to create some more component, employee component here? So you can see that this is static at the moment. You can see like we put Rahul static here, and whenever we try to use it, we end with as a name with Rahul. So, but with the help of pros, we can rename it and make it dynamic. So let's pass a name prop, and let's pass Saurabh name, Rahul name, Prakash, like this. And we can use this with the help of props. But you need to keep in mind, you need to put this inside the curly braces. So now you can see we just made this component dynamic with the help of props. Now whatever the name we are going to pass it from here, and you can show with the it in the component with the help of props. And see, this is a simple component. Thought if I need to make a complex component, and this will basically help us in reusing the code. So like I can also use the other properties here, like put let get designation, okay, and salary. So we can put other property here also, like designation is manager, Rahul designation is team lead, Prakash designation is senior engineer. Okay, we can also put salary. We can pass salary from here as a props also, like 80K, 70K, 60K, like this. So you can see you can make a complex component and you are passing multiple props here. Let put some styling here, margin 10, background color gray, okay. Now let's make width 100%. You can also add padding so that it will look sorry. So this component is now uh, our custom component, and we can reuse it at many places with the help of props. See, if you don't use prop here, you can't reuse this by passing a different parameters. So, or also if you in case if you don't want to do if also अगर हम यहाँ पर एक अपना कस्टम कंपोनेंट ना बना के इसको बार बार यूज़ करेंगे, so our code get larger and it will not a good practice for making reusing the same code again and again. So better is you can create a custom component and use it at many places with the help of props. So in the end so this is the end of this video, and we will meet in our next video, and I'm going to teach state in our next video. So keep watching my YouTube channel and please do subscribe, guys. थैंक यू, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, बाय।